Hi everybody, hope everybody's having a great day. So today we're gonna make a spring flower sensory bottle. So it's a great way to use some of the items maybe you collected on a nature walk. So first you will need any type of clear water bottle that has a cap. So I finished mine, so I'm gonna use that. I went on a nature walk and I collected some dandelions and some pretty purple flowers. You can use any type of flower you're allowed to pick and pull the stems off. I found some little rocks outside, and you can also use anything else you find at home, inside or outside, rocks, sand, grass. I also found some plastic beads that I have at home. I also found glitter. You can use whatever you're allowed. You put in small noodles, grass, sand, a lot of nature items. So first thing you're gonna do is take your water bottle and put some of the flowers that you took the stems off of. Drop those into your water bottle. Put as many as you want. I'm gonna put a lot in so I have a beautiful flower garden. Next, I'm going to drop in some of the rocks that I found outside. I'm gonna put all of these on the bottom. I'm gonna put in some of those clear beads. Again, you can put as many things as you want. I'm gonna try to fill it up with as much as I can so it's really a beautiful spring bottle. So hopefully the weather's nice tomorrow or over the weekend and you're able to get outside and collect some nature items. Okay, I'm even gonna sprinkle some glitter in here. Let's see if I could, or maybe not. Let's see, I'm gonna try to do this without not getting glitter all over my house. So here's a little glitter. So far so good. A little bit of glitter. Let's see. I happen to like glitter, so I'm gonna put a little more. I'm gonna add some more rocks and some more beads. I'm gonna keep going until I use everything I found. It's a great exercise to use your finger muscles to pinch the little items. Don't forget, use your pointer finger and your thumb and pick up each item right in between your fingers. You can even do one at a time. It's a great way to control your finger muscles, friends. Next, I'm going to fill the water bottle up with water. So mom or dad will have to help you. So I just happen to have some water here. I'm gonna carefully pour the water all the way to the very top. Hopefully I have enough. I'm gonna keep filling it up all the way, and look what's happening. My items were on the bottom, and look what's happening. Some of them are starting to move to the top. Looks like some of them are even floating on top. Here we go, all the way up. I think I had just enough water. There we go. My water bottle has a lid. I'm gonna put it on really, really, really tight, and don't shake it yet. Next, you'll need some type of heavy tape so the water doesn't spill out. If you have blue, that would look so pretty to look like the sky. I don't have blue, so I'm gonna use black. And you're gonna wanna carefully wrap it all the way around the top, like the lid. You might have to fold it over the lid a little bit. You don't want the water leaking out. You can cover the whole lid if you want. I'm just gonna try to carefully secure that so the water does not sneak out, because that would be quite messy. Okay, so don't shake it yet, and just kind of smooth around the top so the tape is nice and secure. Now I'm going to take a white piece of paper and I'm going to use a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut out a cloud, because this is a nature sensory bottle, so we're going to pretend that it's outside and there's some clouds. So I'm going to cut out a cloud as best I can. There we go, I have a cloud. I'm gonna take some clear tape. Here's a piece of clear tape. You can use Scotch tape or clear packing tape. And I'm gonna stick my cloud right onto the tape. That is so cool. You know what? I'm gonna cut out another cloud because it's a nice, beautiful, partly cloudy day, which means there's a little blue sky and a little white sky. Here comes my cloud number 2. Here's my cloud number 2. I'm going to also stick that onto the packing tape. So here I have 2 clouds. Next, I'm going to take the water bottle and I'm going to tape the clouds, the clear tape, all the way around. So there's my clouds. Next, I'm going to take a piece of green paper. If you don't have green, you can take your white paper and use a green crayon or green pencil or a green magic marker and color it green. And usually what we find on the bottom would be some grass. So I'm going to use a strip. I'm going to make it a little bit skinnier. This is also a good exercise to practice your cutting. So here's my strip, and then I'm going to cut slits in the top. So don't cut all the way through. Just cut a little bit down and go all the way down the paper. Keep going until you reach the very end. Remember, just little slits. Good practicing with your cutting and your scissor control and holding the paper. Okay, so I cut slits all the way around. Next, I'm going to take my water bottle. I'm going to measure it on the bottom. And I'm going to take another piece of clear tape. And I'm going to put that piece of green paper on top of it so it's a little bit easier. I think that'll work. So you may need more clear tape, but let's see if I could, let's see how easy I can do this. I'm going to take my green tape and I'm going to put it right on top of the green paper. And I'm going to wrap it around the water bottle. I might need to secure it later with another piece of clear tape. Kind of tape that on so it stays on. I'm going to need to put another piece on. So once you have your grass on, and you don't have to, that's optional. You don't have to. So I have my clouds, I have the grass, and guess what I get to do now? I get to shake it up and look at all my spring nature items. I see my glitter, I see my flowers, and this is my beautiful spring nature water bottle. I hope you enjoy. Send me lots of pictures. Bye-bye, friends.